Hey guys, it's Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware grilling expert, hanging out here today in colorful Colorado with a special guest, ready to do some fantastic things on the Big Green Egg. I'm gonna let Chris introduce himself, but just know we're super excited to hang out and cook together today. Welcome.
Thanks, Chef. It's good to be here, and I love being in Colorado. My name is Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the BBQ Buddha, and today we're making Elote Corn Salad. It's like a big, bountiful corn salad that's great for any side dish with your backyard barbecue. Think elote corn, just in a big bowl that's easier to eat.
With the beautiful flavor of the egg.
You gotta grill it on the Big Green Egg. It's the only thing to do.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get
go.
cooking.
All right, we're gonna do a food flyover with this grilled elote corn salad. We're starting with these fresh green onions, cilantro, cojita cheese. We're gonna grill some jalapenos and dice them up. The juice of a lime, some of this beautiful chili powder that we'll garnish the dish with, garlic, sour cream, mayonnaise, olive oil, and you can't have corn salad without the grilled corn.
All right, we've got this beautiful egg nighter. I think it's time to go light the egg.
Let's go light this egg up.
Let's do it. All right, so we've got our brand new extra large egg, and I took all of the guts out from inside. What is next?
Well, we're gonna show you the brand new fire bowl from Big Green Egg.
So excited.
This is a game changer. This stainless steel fire bowl is where you put the lump charcoal in.
Yep.
In between cooks, you take these handles, you shake it over a garbage can, you're ready to reuse that lump. It's highly efficient. But my favorite thing about this, especially for, it's only in the extra large egg and the double extra large egg, is it comes with a divider, a stainless steel divider. You put this right in the middle of the fire bowl, and it allows you to have a 2-zone grilling surface, which is a game changer for the Big Green Egg.
So I can also take this, if I'm understanding this right, and now I only need to light half of this.
Correct.
So if I'm doing a quick cook, totally efficient.
You're in and out.
Love it, love it, love it.
The ultimate cooking experience.
Yep. Ah, shucks, so you ready to keep going on this corn?
I'm so excited to grill this corn.
All right, so when we talk about adjustments, how did we get this all set for what we're doing?
So when I first started lighting the Big Green Egg, I let it go full with the top vent open and the bottom vent open. But then to dial in this perfect temperature of 400, I closed the top vent 3/4 of the way and the bottom vent halfway, and now we're set.
I like that. And the cool part about it is too, right, this holds like spot on.
If you were to leave this, it would stay at that temperature at this exact setting until the lump charcoal ran out.
Perfect. All right, now, we shuck the corn ahead of time. It's all set and ready to go. Next step.
Next step is we're just gonna put those babies right on the grilling surface and caramelize the corn up.
I was gonna hold a bowl for you. I'm your bowl holder.
All right.
So we give this guy a burp real quick.
Yep.
Always important.
Always burp.
Let's do this. Now, if I'm grilling the corn, how far am I taking it?
I like to get a nice color. One of my favorite chefs that I've watched in the past, Francis Mallman, says, don't be afraid of char. Don't be afraid of getting a little bit burnt and crispy, because that's where the flavor is. So maybe about 3-4 minutes aside, rotate it, and same until you get nice even color across all that corn.
And it's gonna pick up that beautiful Big Green Egg flavor too.
Oh, that smoke and that charcoal flavor is second to none.
All right, we'll come back and catch up on the corn when we're a little bit further along. So as you can see, the corn is done. We've got it cut off the cob. Jalapenos, how long did that
Put
take?
it on about halfway, about 6 minutes.
So about 6 minutes.
Got
And
a
now,
beautiful, nice char on that.
beautiful.
jalapeno.
So
Yep.
walk us through the dressing while I'm gonna go seedless today.
Okay.
We're gonna keep it mellow. So walk us through the dressing. I'll chop the jalapeno and
Great.
Get this
So
party
I like
going.
to make the dressing in a bowl on the side and then fold it in with the roasted corn. So the very first thing we have is the mayonnaise.
just regular mayonnaise, right?
Just regular mayonnaise. Now we have the sour cream. We have cojita cheese. I made a little bit extra here because I'm going to garnish with some on top.
Totally the best cheese on earth.
Green onion, again, I made extra for the garnish, so I'm going to do about half portion. Cilantro, same. Now I have this minced garlic. We're going to put that inside. Super fancy fresh lime juice.
Best trick on earth.
Best trick on earth. Then we have this fire salt that we're going to garnish on top. They give a lot of color and a little bit of heat. So I'm going to mix this dressing up.
And while you're mixing that, I'll season this up, right? Because we need a little bit of salt in here, a little bit of olive oil, right? Just a tiny bit. And then should I put the jalapenos in here?
Yes, sir.
Let those guys do their thing. And what do you think? Let's do the whole jalapeno.
I think so.
be nice and spicy, right? I mean, people can appreciate that. All right, we are seasoned up here. You are mixed up there.
We're mixed up. Now I'm just gonna fold this dressing right in with the corn.
Love it. I will be your folder today.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's how I work. And I'll tell you, it smells so good. You get like that roasted corn smell. You get the jalapenos, a little bit of fresh lime juice. We'll go ahead and fold all that in there. And then we just need to finish it, right? With a little bit of fire salt. And I think we're done, aren't we?
This is such a great salad for backyard barbecues. Easy to make all the ingredients ahead. Easy to put this together at the last minute for your guests, and it holds up well as everybody's serving themselves something to eat. It's a fantastic dish.
I'm going in my huge fancy bowl here, right? Oh, it looks so good. All right, final garnish?
Final garnish, I'm just gonna put a little bit more of that cojita on top. We want it to look just like the elote corn when you see on Mexican street corn stands. So we're gonna garnish it up so it looks beautiful like that. A little green onion. Little cilantro. And then we've got this.
And a lot less on your beard and your face.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
And there we go, ladies and gentlemen.
I mean, I don't honestly think it gets any better than that. And I'm pretty excited for us to do a little quality control here in just a minute.
Oh, absolutely.
We have this tradition, right? At the end of all of our videos, apparently people like to watch us eat. So we do what we call quality control. You ready?
I'm
ready. We went to try this amazing salad. So, it smells so good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got all the jalapenos in that spoonful.
Now you're lucky you didn't put the seeds in there, aren't you?
I mean, it would have been good too, but
That's good.
that is fantastic. And I'll tell you what, if you're looking for some more videos, Buddha and I smashed hamburgers like you can't imagine on the Big Green Egg. You can grab all of those recipes and more on acehardware.com, and you will be able to rock your next backyard barbecue.
That's the goal.
That's the goal. Peace.